Good day. So, how are you? Doing good? Yes. So happy to hear that. Now, our first term, we said goodbye to our first term. Now, we are moving to our second term, and before that, pray well. And I gave you certain instructions related to your English. So, please do follow all those instructions and let's make it a beautiful term. Okay? Yes. So, today we are moving to our fifth chapter. Which is your fifth chapter? Your fifth chapter's name is quality. What is it? Quality. Yes. What do you mean by quality? Have you heard this word quality? Quality and quantity in maths? Did you hear it in maths? Quantity you might have heard in maths. Quality. Simple example I'll tell you. When you go for purchasing, when you go for shopping, your parents tell you, no, take the good quality one. It should be of good quality so that it will be forever or it will last for 3 to 4 months. Yes, when is it? When you go to purchase your dress, your chappal, your shoes. Yes, when you go to take your chappals or shoes, parents tell you this. Okay, take the good quality one so that it can be used for a long time. Okay, now who make the shoes and all? Shoemaker. Yes, okay, I do agree with that. So, can you call a shoemaker an artist? Who is an artist? A person who does drawings. Okay, then a person who paints. Then who is an artist? A person who writes also can be called as an artist. Then who else? Can you call a shoemaker an artist? No. Why not? Can you call a shoemaker an artist? Yes, you can. Why is it? And how is it? Yes, if this shoemaker is highly skilled, if he is having that pride of being a shoemaker, if he is devoted to that art, he can also be called a artist. So, shoemaker is also an artist. You should also call him an artist. Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to learn about Mr. Gessler. Mr. Gessler, he is a German shoemaker. He is settled in London. Okay, he is a German shoemaker. He is settled in London. Now, let's see more about this artist. Okay, now someone is narrating about Mr. Gessler to us. Let's hear what it is. In your textbook, page number 71. Yes, there you can see quality. Your lesson's name is quality. Okay, so now let's see what it is. So this person is telling he is very familiar with Mr. Gessler. How? Because his father always wore boots which were made by Mr. Gessler. So he is familiar with this person from his extreme youth. Extreme youth means, yes, when he started his youth itself, he was very familiar with Mr. Gessler. Now, Mr. Gessler lived with his elder brother in his shop, which was a street by side in the fashionable part of London. A small fashionable part of London. And at their shop, there was only one board. Mr. Gessler Brothers. That was the shop's name. So what was the shop's name? Gessler brothers. And there were some booths also. Now this person is telling Mr. Gessler is very perfect, pakka perfect in his work. So that we don't have to always go and buy new boots or new chappals or nothing. Because he's pakka perfect in his work. Now one day this narrator went and sat. He went and stretched his youthful leg or foot in front of the Gessler. So you want to know what the Gessler told? The narrator asked him whether it's a difficult job. Okay? The narrator asked him whether it's a difficult job to make shoes according to the orders. But Gessler told it is an art. What is it? It is an art. That is in German slang. In German, instead of T, they use D. So what the shoemaker actually told us, it is an art. When it is said in German slang, it is an art. Okay. So he told it with complete smile. And our narrator was so happy to hear that. So narrator was telling, it's not, there is no need to go always often to buy chappals because this fellow's boots will last terribly and it will be perfect also. No other person can make as if or as like how this shoemaker makes it. Now after that, narrator is describing how a Gessler looks. How is it? Turn your page, you can see there how it is. Yes, whenever we go and sit in his shop, he will climb down the stairs, the wooden stairs, and come. So his boots sound, that is tip tap, that will be heard. So when we are climbing a wooden stairs with boots, how does it sounds? The same, right? Girls, if you are wearing heels and climbing the wooden stairs, the same tip tap comes. So he's telling that is a sign of the Gessler coming. Now he'll be wearing a sleeveless brown leather apron and he'll stand in front of us. Then he'll take our measurement. And that time, why did our narrator go there? To get a Russian leather shoes, our narrator went. And he asked Mr. Gessler how is he doing and told that he needed Russian leather boots. After that, Gessler is asking him to wait and he is going for the preparation. So till this, from your textbook, read. Okay? It is from page number 71 to 73. Read from your textbook. Underline the difficult words as always said and try to realize and recognize what is it all about. Okay? So this is enough for you today. Go read your textbook and make sure that you understand the content of that lesson.